This is a touch model of the Taranis. The Taranis is the future of the Royal Air Force. It is a model of the demonstrator for a fully capable, unmanned combat aerial vehicle. Funded jointly by the UK MOD and UK industry, the Taranis demonstrator is a collaborative result of 1.5 million man-hours of work by scientists and engineers from 250 British companies, such as BAE Systems, Rolls-Royce and Kinetic. The aircraft was designed to demonstrate the UK's ability to create an unmanned air system, which can be used for sustained surveillance, marking targets, gathering intelligence, and carrying out strikes in hostile territory. It can perform these roles, being controlled by a human operator on the ground, but can also act fully autonomous. In other words, this is not an ordinary drone. It is about the size of a BAE Hawk jet, the one used by the Red Arrows. However, it looks much more futuristic and is actually stealth. It carries its weapons inside two internal weapon bays instead of under the wings, like on traditional jet fighters. Flight trials started in 2013 and were highly successful. It helped the military to understand the possibilities of unmanned combat aerial vehicles in the future. The plan is to develop it into a joint European project called the Future Combat Air System. This and more can be seen in our new gallery, First to the Future. Just one of 100 reasons to visit the Royal Air Force Museum this summer.